How to show internet speed on desktop, Windows 11 and 10. At first, click to open any web browser that is on your computer. Here, type to search Download Traffic Monitor. Click to open this first website or check the link in the description below. Move down and click on this option. Again, move down and then click Traffic Monitor.zip option. The software will start downloading. After the download, click to open. Now drag and drop the software folder on anywhere that you can access it. Click to open. Now, double-click to open the traffic monitor. OK. If you want to add this on the taskbar, all what you have to do is right-click on it. Here select Show Taskbar window. Then we'll now move down here on the taskbar. It's so simple and easy guide. Now again, right-click and then select Show Main Windows to remove this for the desktop. So, that's how you can show internet speed on the desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully showed internet speed on the desktop, Windows 11 and 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And we'll see you in the next one.